Hey guys, today we're going to be removing and installing the rear wheel on this 2012 Victory Vegas. I believe it's a 106 cubic. So it's very easy on this one. You need a ratchet, a socket, hammer, and probably a small prying tool. So other than that, it's very simple. So, and then obviously a way of supporting the bike and lifting it and all that good jazz. So, let's get started, alright? Well, first thing you want to do, get a jack underneath the bike that can support the weight. Jack it up till the tire just comes up off the ground. And go to the side of the axle. Tools that I'm using today are pretty simple. 1/2-inch ratchet with a 1 1/16 socket, not sure what that converts to millimeters, and then a rubber mallet. That's all I'll be needing for this today. So, take your axle nut off. Alright, now we're on the other side. Is take your rubber mallet, give the axle a couple taps just so this plate comes out, and it kind of just lifts up. It's got a slot, couple notches cut in the axle. Alright, next thing you want to do is take your nut. On there a few threads. And forgot another tool. Take a rag or something, or a towel, cover up the frame, swing arm. Take a pry bar, something similar, kind of just pry out on the back of the nut, not the threads. Alright. Get a little bit more. Thread that nut in as much as you can. Another thing you can do is the handle to your hammer. Lift the axle out even more. Come on. She's coming. Come on. Another thing you can do is kind of take some weight off the wheel now. It's still stuck. Okay, this is just going to be one of them deals. I bet you this thing will slide right in too. I'm going to put it back together. slide it forward. I'll show you here. Kind of ease it out. I don't want to bang the wheel. There's a big lug right here that goes in between the slot in the inside of the swing arm. So just kind of lightly set that off to the side. And then we're going to jack the bike up and take the wheel out. Alright, we'll start jacking the bike, lift the bike up kind of slow. Start to catch on anything. Get a spacer falling out. Little biggie. Get that in set. This will come to me. You don't have to go all the way up to where it clears the tire. That should be good right there. We're going to roll it back. What you're going to do is swing it down like this. Out you go. Alright, now change the tire and then come back and show you how to reinstall. Alright. Now it's time for a new tire on here. The customer that went with a Michelin Commander 2, which is, in my view, the best tire for these cruisers out there at the moment. So, let's go put this in, same way you took it out. Flat, roll it in, swing it. A little bit. That was the way. Ta-da. Then, once you feel it's in there, pretty clear, what I like to do is kind of have one hand on the tire. Slowly lower the jack. As it's slowly lowering, I like to move the wheel to see if it catches anything. So if it catches anything, I can stop the jack. The bike can fall off the jack. Stop right there. Let the wheel out. This large spacer, put that in right now. Roll it in almost where it goes, holding it to keep it from dropping out. Now I'm going to put the belt on in reverse, just going to walk it around. There you go. Well, put the spacer in before you did the belt. It makes putting the spacer in much easier. Okay. Kind of lower the bike again. Get a little wiggle. Get that wheel almost lined up. About close. Alright, I'm going to show you how to put the caliper back on and lock this, put the axle back in. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is take my spacer, put it inside. Now, check my brake pads, they look pretty good. And then kind of ease it in. Slide the pads over the rotor, and then take this lug. Sorry guys. Take that lug. Oh, it went in front. That's right. Put the lug in the front of these, the slot that it goes into. Brake pads back open. Come on. I can, just gently open them up. Let's try it again. Oh, there we go. Now the lug is in front of the slot. I'm just slide it on back. Might have to wiggle a couple things. There you go. Give it a good wiggle. There you go. Alright, stab the axle in and lock her down. Now, this axle had some little like copper grease on it, or anti-seize. So I went and wiped it clean and put a little bit more back on there. So this slotted end needs to go towards the exhaust. So, start that in. Caliper. Lift up the wheel. There you go. Try to clean the stuff off your hands if you can. It'll start to spread. There's some right there already. Then take your rubber hammer. I'm not beating the hell out of it, so something on the other side, probably the spacer. So, let's go to the other side. Now, I'm going to kind of, oh, actually the axle did go through the spacer, but you could take your hand and kind of hold that spacer in place and then tap it in with a hammer. Once you get it started, it's in. So I just got to get it in through this belt adjuster. So lift it up, kind of line it up. There she goes. Oh, look at that, it's lined up where I need it. I move you again. Plate has some lines on it. That needs to be facing outward so you can see them, because the other side is just kind of blank. So just be aware of that. Slide it on the top if you can. Well, we got threads on the other side, so we should be able to pull that through when we tighten it. So let's go back to the other side. Back to the other side. Now this, again, same thing here. It's got little lines on it. Blank on the other side. Lines need to face out. Give them a glue. Then a nut. Tighten her down. So it's starting to get a little snug, so check on that spacer. Alright, I got the nut tightened up. The last thing to do is make sure your belt tension is good or is adjusted properly. You got this V notch in here, and then that's what the lines line up with. So we're about almost 2.5 from the front. Go to the other side. about 2.5 here. Belt tension feels good. So, just gonna take it for a test run. Well guys, all done. Like I said earlier at the beginning of the video, it was really easy. So I honestly could have knocked it out a lot faster, but then obviously with the video. So, just make sure your belt tension's good. It's adjusted properly on each side. Your torque specs, go look them up online for your specific bike. We got one to worry about. So, other than that, if you like these videos, make sure you like them, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. And if there's certain bikes you're looking for, let me know. I do a bunch of bikes and trying to get more and more up there. So let me know. Bye.